Here are incoming call settings that can be found on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, 14, or even the Note 15 phone, Chinese ROM model, using the default dialer app. If you have the Chinese ROM model phone, you'll be using this default dialer app here. And once you go into it, you'll see this, and you want to go into the main settings here. And before I continue, if you are using another type of Xiaomi phone, which is using the Google Dialer app, you may also find these settings as well. So you'll just look for incoming call settings here, and as you go into it, you're going to find a whole bunch of these different settings. Most of these are also going to be on the global version, so no worries on that. The first one is flip to silence ringer. That's if someone is calling you and your phone is ringing, you will just simply take your phone and face it flat down. That'll just simply silence the call, but not necessarily end the call, all right? Now you got the quiet ringer when lifted. So same thing again, this basically, if your phone is ringing really loud and the incoming call is there, once you pick up your phone, you will notice the volume for the ringer will start to reduce. The other one is increase ringtone volume. So this is gonna kind of be the opposite, and then it'll say ringtone volume will gradually grow to the level you set it as. Now you wanna leave these two on, they still will work, as basically if your phone is ringing and you haven't answered it yet, it will get louder and louder and louder until it reaches the set volume. The other one is the most useful one to me. It's flash when ringing. And of course, this, if you have your phone on silent and it's face flat down, it's going to use the camera flash of your Redmi phone to notify you of an incoming call. The other one will be sometimes bug-ish, depending on your Xiaomi phone, how good it is. It's the proximity sensor. So once you take your phone close to your ear, it is going to automatically have the screen go into that blackout mode. Not really lock screen, but it's going to kind of black out your screen to avoid your face or ears touching anything on the screen while in the call, which is really, really useful if you ask me that, all right? And then the last one would be mute first ring, all right? So mute the first ring for calls for the unknown numbers, all right? So this, by hearing that, you're going to know automatically that this is an unknown caller calling you. So really useful settings if you have them all on. And let me know in the comment section which your Xiaomi phone doesn't have and which model so others can know.